Today the subject is salt. Is sea salt good for us? Well, think for just a moment. What happens when stranded sailors start to drink seawater? They dehydrate and they're dead within a few days. Salt is not a good thing for us, despite what marketers will tell us. You know, you've got all kinds of salts. Himalayan pink Himalayan salt, you've got Celtic sea salt, and they try to tell us that, you know, because modern society is lacking in certain minerals, that we need sea salt or any kind of salt. Extracted sodium chloride in any form is not good for us. It's an irritant to the body, it's a toxin to the body. It inhibits our ability to taste sweet, sour, and bitter. It basically destroys your taste buds, and it also retards our digestion, our elimination, and it upsets the natural balance of water in our bodies. Now let me explain the big difference between extracted salt and the sodium, the natural salts that we find in foods. Now you take celery and tomatoes, very high in natural sodium, and we need natural sodium for the function of every cell in our bodies. But to think that we can get it from extracted salt is not the answer. We want to get it in the best form and the most assimilable form, which is in a plant food. It's in the perfect ratios for our bodies to assimilate that natural sodium, which helps every cell in the body. If you eat a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, you're going to get all the sodium you need. On the other hand, when we extract the salt from seawater, we're going to get the same thing that the stranded sailor got, yet at a slower rate. We're dehydrating ourselves. We're slowly poisoning ourselves. If you're a salt eater, I strongly encourage you to get off salt. You're going to see a big difference in your health. Your body's going to start to get more hydrated. So, you know, and although it may take a long time for your body to get rid of all the salt deposits throughout it, and they are not good for the body. They harden the body, and they can cause pain. You know, it can cause pain in the joints. So get off it. If you just get off it in just 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to start to taste your food much better, and you're going to start to feel much better. So I strongly encourage that. Salt is not fit for human consumption. So please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, a like, and look for more health tips here at Fruit and Sport. All the best. Take care.